Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Today's date, October the 16th, 2019. I got some news on the Grandeur of the Seas from Royal Caribbean. Thanks, by the way, for subscribing to my channel and giving these videos thumbs ups. I really appreciate all your support. Now let's talk about the Grandeur of the Seas. Today, Royal Caribbean made the announcement that her days with Royal Caribbean are coming to an end after 23 years of service and at least 2 million passengers on this ship since she was built in 1996. The Grandeur of the Seas is going to leave the fleet March 2021, in about a year and a half from now. Right now, she sails out of Baltimore, and she's going to be transferred over to the discount cruise line known as Pulmantur. Royal Caribbean owns half of the Pulmantur cruising company, and another former Royal Caribbean ship, the Monarch, sails with Pulmantur now. So this ship's going to join the Monarch over on Pulmantur March 2021, and a new ship will be brought into Baltimore to replace her. The Grandeur of the Seas has had quite the history. In 2013, there was a major fire on board the ship in the engine room at the back of the ship. Several decks were badly burned, but 6 weeks later, they got her all repaired and all was well. They refunded, of course, all the passengers for their cruises, and they rebuilt the ship. And she was as good as new after 6 weeks of repair. It cost them, obviously, 6 sailings, but the ship was redone. It's had a number of refurbishments over the years. She's 916 feet long, 106 feet wide, can handle 2,440 guests at a time, 760 crew. So she's had a long, distinguished career, although with that one mishap back in '03. The ship, like I said, will work with Pulmantur. They may sail her in the Mediterranean through the Canary Island area. Pulmantur does operate cruises in the Caribbean as well. Now, after March 2021, the next ship coming in to replace the Grandeur of the Seas will be this ship called the Enchantment of the Seas. She was originally built in 1997, and in 2005, she was expanded by 73 feet. They cut her in half and brought her out to a 988-foot long length. Now, this ship added 151 new cabins to bring her capacity to 2,446. And the thinking was that other ships would be expanded, including the Grandeur of the Seas, but they never did do it. Royal Caribbean decided, nope, we're just going to build larger ships from scratch. They came up with the Freedom version and eventually the Oasis class ships. And of course, now we have ships holding over 5,000 people. Quite amazing. The Enchantment of the Seas has been a loyal worker for Royal Caribbean. They have the Ben & Jerry's on there, all kinds of bars and restaurants. And this ship will just take the place of the Grandeur of the Seas out of Baltimore starting March 2021. And this ship, too, built in the, like I said, in the 90s, she's probably handled over 2 million passengers. How many times have people been proposed to on this ship? How many weddings have been had here on this ship? Quite a few, I'm sure. A lot of history with this ship. By the way, speaking of traveling, thank you to Amber & Travel, my official travel agency for Traveling with Bruce. We are going on a group cruise on the Harmony of the Seas on Royal Caribbean, December 2020. If you'd like to join us, check the link down below and come aboard with us for a great 7-day cruise. So, hello to the Enchantment of the Seas. Goodbye to the Grandeur of the Seas. Time changes all. And thank you for joining me today on this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel today. And don't forget to hit that bell notification icon. You'll get an update every time from YouTube, every time I upload a new video. This is Bruce with Traveling with Bruce saying, have a great day, everybody. We'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.